Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the mouse is paired and responding. Check Bluetooth and battery level first. Once connected, open System Settings and go straight to Mouse Options to enable secondary click. Choose whether you want the right side or left side to register as a secondary click so it matches your hand preference. Make sure the change applies immediately by gently clicking the chosen side. If the cursor reacts, you've completed the initial setup and are ready to practice simple right-click actions. Now practice the gesture. Position your hand naturally with fingers relaxed, then press the side you assigned for secondary click. You don't need to squeeze. Apply a single, deliberate press. Once done, test it on the desktop, a file, and a web link so you see different context menus and options. If menus don't appear consistently, adjust your hand angle slightly and repeat. Make sure to avoid moving the mouse while pressing so the system treats it as a click rather than a drag or motion. Finish by tailoring click speed and any gesture options and mouse preferences so the right click feels natural for you. If the secondary click drops intermittently, first restart Bluetooth and, if needed, repair the mouse. This often clears connection glitches. If problems persist, make sure Mac OS is updated and test the mouse in another user account to rule out profile-specific settings. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the Mac after repairing. This simple step resolves many
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.